Maybe your partner is always maltreating you and you want the person to love you, do as he says, then this direction is meant for you. A lot of great testimonies are coming out, so please just watch me very careful. Maybe you are in a relationship with someone that you love, but the person is not showing any sign of interest and you want the person to love you, do as he says. This leaf that you are seeing over here, this is what we call the magic leaf. Others call it the leaf of life or miracle leaf. You go and plug one of this leaf. After plugging the leaf like this, you write only your partner's name on it, like I've written the Frank. Only your partner's name has written on it. After writing your partner's name, this is a salt. Yes, you will just sprinkle small salt on it, and this is a red pepper. Then you put the red pepper on your partner's name like this. Have you seen how I'm doing it? Then you fold it. Yes, just look how I'm folding it. You fold it with the salt and the pepper and everything. This is a ginger. You slice the ginger like this. Sorry, this is an onion. You just slice the onion like this. Then you put it. The leaf and the person's name in it like this. Have you seen how I'm doing it? Just put it inside the onion like this. Yes. After putting it in the onion, this is a pin. You use this is a broom, a piece of broom. So you mention the person's name. So I'll say Frank. From today going, maybe Manuela. I want you to love me like never before. Then I will pin it. I want my wish to be your command. I don't want you to live a day without even hearing from me. I want to be the only lover in your life. Say whatever thing you want on it, then leave it on a refuse dump. After saying whatever thing you want on it, you are going to leave it on a refuse dump where they throw rubbish. Yes, you are going to leave it on a refuse dump. I'm telling you, less than 3 days, wherever the person is, he or she can't live a day without hearing from you.